Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And for all my returning subscribers, you already know you are fabulous. And thank you so much for your constant love and support of this channel. Now in today's video, I am going to be decorating two tiered trays for the spring and Easter season. And I'm going to be taking you all along with me. So without further ado, let's get started.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
So before we get started decorating both tiered trays, I'm just giving you a quick view of all the items that I have gathered to decorate the trays. Here I have a mixture of heavier items. I also have some greenery and my miniature flower pots here. And I also, on this particular tray, I have a mixture of florals as well as some greenery. I really like using this particular greenery during the spring season with the yellow buds. I also have some baby breaths, both in the white and pink. And I also have this cabbage plant as well. I have two of those, but I wasn't able to find it at the time of this video. And of course, I love my moss bunnies. This is the first tiered tray that I'm going to be decorating today. It's a staple item in my kitchen, and I keep it up year-round and decorate it seasonally. I'm going to start with these two miniature lanterns. I'm going to place one on the top, and I'm going to also place one to the bottom, just like that. Up next, I'm just adding in some greenery to the top and the bottom of this tray. Now I'm going to add my miniature flower pots. I'm going to place some greenery in them, and I will be adding some to both sections of the tray, the top and bottom of the tray. Some I will have standing and some I will have tilting over. I really enjoy decorating tiered trays. I think they're so much fun, and there is no wrong or right way to decorate them. Just use items that you love and that stimulate you in a positive way, and just add them to your tray. So now I'm back to the bottom, so I'm going to come over here and make some adjustments. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one pot sitting up, and I'm going to put one pot down like that. And then we're just going to place some greenery in this one. And we'll put some greenery in that one like that. Okay. Probably need to bend this a little bit more. And we're just going to place that in there just like that. And we're going to angle that like that. Okay, this is my progress so far. So now this right here, we've got a little gap right here. And so we're also going to move down, and I'm going to fill in this gap, and I'm going to put something in here. So I'm just going to take this lettuce, and I'm just going to put this in here like that. And I'm also going to take another one of these little flower pots. I'm going to place that there, and I'm going to place my little rabbit center like that. And then I'm going to place some greenery on the side like that. So here I'm just making some adjustments, and I just move this greenery up, and now we're going to start filling in those gaps in the back section of this tiered tray. So now you guys, we are back to the front of this tiered tray, okay? And so what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to start, let me turn this around so it won't look crooked. I'm going to start adding in some of these white florals. I'm going to start filling in these different gaps here, and I'll be right back. So as you can see right here, I've added in some white florals and I kind of placed them on top of the pot. So I'm going to try to fill in this section as well, and I'm probably going to add some more white florals over there. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, now this is my progress so far. As you can see, I've added some white florals in here. I've also added some florals back there as well. And so now I'm just going to break up all this white and green and yellow, and I'm going to add a little surprise by adding in a little pink to kind of break it up, to spice up some things. So I'm just going to insert those little pink blossoms in there so it won't be so neutralized. We have a little pop of color. So now I guess I'm gonna have to find some little pink ones so I can put some up here as well. So let me see, can I find some more pink ones? Now I'm so tempted to use my little green rabbits here, and I think I'm gonna try to add one right here in this pot over here. I'm gonna see how that works out because I don't want it to compete with what I got going on with my little brown rabbits. So I'm just gonna snuggle that little guy right over there. Isn't that cute? Okay, you guys, I decided to let my little buddy stay. I just put him in the pot right there, and I added a little friend. So now I am going to put this tray in place, and I will give you a final reveal. Purchased this from Target this year. It comes in two colors, the white and the black. I'm just showing you here that it's flat on the back, and the trays are very narrow, so you don't have a lot of space, but you still can decorate it. And I'm going to show you how I decorate it for the spring Easter season, and also how I use it in my home. I'm going to start with this simple Easter egg sign that says Happy Easter, and I'm just going to add 2 neutral colored rolling pins. So this completes the top shelf. So now I'm just going to add these simple salt and pepper shakers to the bottom shelf. One tip I will give to you, if you struggle with decorating a tiered tray, use a tiered tray in a small size and then work your way up to a larger tiered tray. So I installed this tiered tray above my stove in my kitchen. Okay, you guys, this concludes my video for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you lots of ideas for the spring and Easter season. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys. This is the sizzling noise that you heard at the earlier portion of my video. I just decided to insert this clip.